Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Microsoft Teams with Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Asana and you also use Microsoft Teams. Well, you can actually link both of them together so that there can be tasks that are created from Microsoft Teams. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Asana account. Next, you're going to click on the upper right-hand corner where it says your profile icon. Then click on Settings. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Apps. From here, go ahead and scroll down. And you're going to see this app called Microsoft Teams, where this will actually link your Microsoft Teams account with your Asana account. So click on Connect and then simply just follow the on-screen prompts. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Microsoft Teams with Asana. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.